Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Paint wise is out. What do you think of that, Noah? What do you think of using these?
Yeah, let's go. Hi guys, today we're going to use some drawing on the walls. Don't tell Mum.
Into his sister's bedroom, so he can be close to his Xbox, because he likes gaming and his mum doesn't know. We're going to leave with a nice surprise. We're going to do some drawings on this lovely pink wall. Noah is going to draw his house. So far we have Noah's house. Noah's wanted to draw a map to his school.
What's on the windows now, Dad?
Just putting in some little windows. Let's draw the road that goes to the school.
No, it's a path.
Alright, the path then. What's that you're drawing?
It's the road.
It's the road. So we have to go across the road.
I'm just drawing the lines on each line.
Alright, yeah, so it looks like a road.
Yeah, looks like a proper road, doesn't it, Dad? So it looks like a proper road, doesn't it? So it looks like a proper road, doesn't it, Dad?
Yeah.
And her school.
And this is school. What do you like about school?
All the toys that they have and everything.
All the toys.
Yeah.
What colour is that pen you're using?
Blue?
Blue.
Yeah.
So this is Noah's house.
The road.
And that's his school. And Noah likes the toys and stuff at school. And who's this? What's the sign?
Batman.
Batman. All we've used for this, guys. Permanent marker and some Sharpies. Let's see what his mum thinks. We've got Red Titan, Combo, Gus, Noah's school, little controller that Combo plays with, no drawn.
Dad, don't forget to say that thingy, this exercising thing.
Oh yeah, Noah's just pointed out the exercise.
And
for
the
Red
gummy,
Titan.
and the gummy there.
And that's a gummy for Gus.
Huh? Gus the gummy gator.
Gus the Gummy Gator.
It doesn't matter. I wonder what Mum will say.
About this,
Yeah.
so there's no choice now, it's done.
Hey, no, it's not, Dad. Thank you for watching. Bye.